Good morning, this is me ALIRAZA, and today I'm going to discuss on how to structure Google Ads account. But before I discuss on how to structure Google Ads account, you must have a question in your mind on why we should structure our account. So just simply put, the way you structure Google Ads account allows you to control how you want your ads to be triggered and when and where you want them to appear and to be shown. Not having a well structured account is like attempting to drive a car that is not properly built, which will eventually result in an accident. But I'm sure that this example is an off take and you must need to answer on what if happens if you don't structure your account. Now the question is, why should I work hard and get my account structured? So if you don't, you will have less targeted campaigns which will cost more, bring poor results, have low CTR, poor efficiency, poor quality score, and it won't be effective anymore. So ideally, it's the best way to structure yourself. Like, how do you structure yourself? The more organized and structured you are, you can get more productivity out of yourself. Just like that, the more organized and structured your Google Ads campaigns are, they can bring much more result. In one of the lectures or videos, I discussed about the intent of the keyword. With each keyword, there's a different intent of the user. And our ad should be specifically created according to that intent. If we don't follow that intent, it will result in a different ad for a keyword search. For instance, there is a keyword which is a buy iPhone. Let's discuss on the intent of the user when he or she is searching is buy iPhone. It means that he knows about the iPhone and he wants to get an iPhone. But when he or she is searching iPhone deals, it means that he or she wants to buy an iPhone, but they are tight on budget. So they are looking for a deal out of them. So if you give them a hands-free with them, they are much more likely to buy with it. So the intent is the game here. So if you are running ads for both of the keywords, the same ad for the both of, so actually you are playing a doubtful game with them, because you are not actually understanding the intent of the user, which changes automatically with the keyword. Which is why I recommend the best form of account structure is SKAG. Now SKAG is what is single keyword ad group. That is the best thing. But when you are running campaigns to the masses, and it's actually technically not possible to do SKAG all the time. So what we are going to do is we are going to do the structure based on accounts and different campaigns, and with different campaigns, different ad groups. Let's see a better understanding on how we can do it. For instance, this is an account, and we are running three. This is an unstructured account because we are having all of the different keywords here, because the person is selling furniture in USA, and we are showing to all of the keywords same ad. This is not personalized, this is not customized, and user might not be interested in what you are selling for. We even don't have to waste our clicks, because remember, we are paying each visitor to land on our website, and to get the maximum out of it, we need to understand the intent behind every keyword. So let's make it more structured. Now it's structured, and we divide it into three segments. Number one section is leather sectional, the second is leather love seats, and the third is leather chairs. Now we have put the the keywords according to their intent. Now I didn't add the deals or purchase, but because I was searching, and when I found it, even the buy or purchase keyword has a different intent, because mindset changes automatically when you are search for a keyword. So which is why I put them in three sections. You can see the keywords: buy leather sectional suits, buy leather sectional suits, leather sectional suits, buy leather sectionals in one ad group. The other ad group is love seats, so all keywords relevant to love seats here. Third is about leather chairs. All of the keywords are here, but things can be made even better. Like for the leather chairs, there can be two categories. One is leather chair and one is homemade leather chair. This can be further divided, and this can be even better. to have a separate ad for a homemade leather chair. This will even result in better sales and better clicks and better quality score. But just for your understanding, this is a very good way to structure your account. You need to have a targeted keyword with a targeted landing page and a targeted ad in the right ad group. But right now I'm just talking about keywords. Don't forget that you also need to add targeted relevant ads in it, and this will result in improved and better cost for you, more targeted, more sales, and if you have a better quality score, which will eventually result in lower cost for you. For those who don't know what is quality score, I have a separate video on YouTube channel about quality score. You can watch it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.